Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss the most important MCQs of Raoult's law in the solution chapter. So first MCQs, that is the Raoult's law is applicable to option A electrolytic solution, option B non-ideal solution, option C ideal liquid solution, and the option D is the colloidal solution. Now we will explain these options one by one. Option A electrolytic solution. We know that electrolytic solution dissociate into ions and it show the deviation from the Raoult's law. So this option is incorrect. Similarly, option B non-ideal solution. Non-ideal solution also deviates from the Raoult's law, so it is also incorrect. Similarly, option C, that is the ideal liquid solution. The ideal liquid solutions strictly obey the Raoult's law, that is the partial vapor pressure of the component is equal to the vapor pressure of the pure component multiply the mole fraction of the component in the solution. So the option C is correct. Similarly, we have option D, that is the colloids are heterogeneous and Raoult's law is for true solution only. And in this MCQs we have a correct option is option C, that is the ideal liquid solution. Next question, question number 2. According to the Raoult's law, the partial vapor pressure of a component is directly proportional to its option A volume, option B molar mass, option C mole friction, and option B is the boiling point. We will explain these. That is the option A volume is unrelated to the vapor pressure directly, so this option is incorrect. Similarly, the molar mass affect molarity, not the vapor pressure, so it is also the incorrect. And option C, that the Raoult's law is equal to the partial vapor pressure of the component is equal to the vapor pressure of the pure component multiply the mole fraction of the component in the solution. So it is directly depend on the mole fraction, so the option C is correct. And we have also the option D, that is the boiling point. The boiling point is not the part of the Raoult's equation or Raoult's law, so it is the incorrect. And in thus second MCQs, the option C is correct, that is the mole frictions. That is the Raoult's law directly depend on the mole frictions. Next question, which pair form an ideal solution and follow the Raoult's law over the entire composition range? We have four options. Option A acetone plus water, option B ethanol plus water, option C benzene plus toluene, and option D HCl plus water. First option A, acetone and water form the hydrogen bonding and they show the non-ideal behavior, so the option A is incorrect. Similarly, ethanol and water also form the hydrogen bonding, so they deviate from the Raoult's law, so the option B is also incorrect. Similarly, option C, that is the benzene and toluenes are similar in size, nature and structure, so they show the ideal behavior, so the option C is correct, that is the benzene and toluene follows the Raoult's law over the entire composition range. And we have also the option D, that is HCl and water, and in HCl and the HCl ionize in water, and they show the non-ideal behavior due to the strong interaction between the hydrogen between the HCl and water. So the option D is also incorrect. So in this MCQs, the option C is correct, that is the benzene and toluene are similar in size, shape and structure, so they follow the Raoult's law over the entire composition range. Next question, question number 4. A binary solution shows total vapor pressure less than predicted by Raoult's law. It indicates option A, ideal behavior, option B, negative deviation, option C, positive deviation, option D, formation of minimum boiling isotopes. Now we explain one by one these options. The option A, that is ideal behavior, and in the ideal behavior the total pressure is equal to the expected pressure. So this is the option A is incorrect. Similarly, the option B, negative deviations, that is a stronger interaction and the pressure decrease. So this option is correct because the negative deviation is occur and the pressure will decreases. Similarly, the option C, that is the positive deviation, and in the positive deviation pressure will increase. So it is incorrect according to the question. Next option, option D, that is the formation of minimum boiling isotopes. The minimum boiling isotopes form during the positive deviation. So it is also the incorrect according to the question. Next question, question number 5. Raoult's law becomes identical to the Henry laws when solute is option A, solid, option B, gas, option C, liquid, and option D, non-volatile solid. Now we will explain these four options. There is option A, solid. Solid solute do not follow the Henry laws, so it is incorrect. Next, option B, gas. Henry laws, the pressure is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the gas, so it is similar form as the Raoult's law. So the option B is correct in the case of gas. And option C, that is liquid, and liquid solution follows the Raoult's law, not the Henry laws. And option D, non-volatile solid do not contribute to the vapor pressure. So in this question the option B is correct, that is the gas. When the solute is gas, it become Raoult's. When the solute become gas, then the Raoult's law becomes identical to the Henry's law. That's for all today, the learner. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.